See this motherfucker right here? This motherfucker think he's special.
You got to the count of 5.
This motherfucker talking to me.
1.
Yeah, this motherfucker.
2.
Yeah, this motherfucker.
3.
Woke up with 50 enemies plotting my death. All 50 seeing visions of me shot in the chest. Couldn't rest, no, nigga, I was stressed. Had me creeping round corners, homie sleeping in my vest. Shit, I'm like a hostage on this trouble block. Call the cops, a thug nigga screaming west side. Busting double glocks, hitting corners in my Chevy Suburban. Liquor got me dropping up on the curb, hand on the steering wheel. Swerving, bless me, Father, I'm a sinner. I'm living in hell, just let me live on these streets. Cause ain't no peace for me in jail. Getting worldwide exposure with a bunch of niggas that don't give a fuck. Riding as my soldiers, I'm just releasing on the warpath. Not your average dealer, west side outlaw, bad boy killer. Complete my mission, my competition no longer beefing. I murdered all them busters, now I'm the last motherfucker breathing. A buster free, enemies give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bustin', my automatic rounds catch them while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing. Straight, a buster free, enemies give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bustin', my automatic rounds catch them while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing. Straight, a buster free, enemies give me reason to be the last motherfucker breathing. Bustin', my automatic rounds catch them while they sleeping. Now I'm the last motherfucker breathing.
You wanna dance, let's finish, nigga. I take you to the prom, I'm on. Straight down in my palm, I'm calm.